What's up, everybody? It's Ethan from EB Presents right here, everybody. And today we are doing something different on my channel. And today this is a red velvet cake with cream cheese frosting, which is all homemade. And this is our little blue and white part of the American flag for Independence Day. So be sure to follow along, see how the decoration goes.
What I'm doing is so that I don't put the fruit on it without knowing where it goes, I'm making my flag design into the top of my cake. Alright, so to make the white stripes on the cake, I'm coating these frozen cherries. They're thawed by now, but sweet cherries with powdered sugar in the vein in the sink so that the extra sugar just kind of falls away. Looks like they need a little more. All right, and we're going to use those for our white stripes.
So the first step to the actual decoration is is to put it on. So we got our flag here, and this is where our stars will be, which is we gotta put some blue on, just like that. So here's what it looks like when it's all done. So here for the flag, we need to place it down for the stripes. So this is what it should look like after you put on the raspberries for the stripes. So we will be using cherries for our white stripes, and we'll be putting powdered sugar on them. Here is what it looks like after putting on the cherries.
I am going to try to gently put a little powdered sugar over this line of cherries so that we have our white stripes back.
This is what it looks like when it's all done. Oh, I hope you did enjoy today's video. So this came from Better Homes and Garden. I'll be putting a link down below. You can also watch a quick video on how to make it on Better Homes and Gardens IGTV. And here's what it looks like. You can use any cake you want, but we decided to use red velvet. And also be sure to subscribe and ding the bell. And follow me on Instagram at EVTravels11. Bye. All links in the description. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.